Welcome back, students. So this is 120 days optima plan for prelims 2023. Today is 10th day. We're going to discuss some questions in previous year questions from data sufficiency. Let's start from this. Just complete this question within 1 minute. Good. So time up. So first question, read out this question. Consider all 3-digit numbers without repetition of digits obtained using 3 non-zero digits with which are multiples of 3. So multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, correct? So these 3 numbers are multiples of 3 single-digit numbers. Okay, let S be their sum. Which of the following is correct? So sum is always divisible by 7, sum is always divisible by 9. So I need to check all the combinations because they clearly says 3-digit number without repetition. So how can we write this number? I can write this 3, first we can take as it is 369, then 396, then 639, then 693, then 936, and 963. So these are all the numbers I can formed using this 3 digits, 3, 6 and number 3, 6 and 9, correct? So I want to find S, right? So sum of these numbers, if I add all these numbers, okay, so everything I need to take sum. What is the sum? Sum is equal to 3996. Okay, now I want to divide this number by 74 and 9. I need to tell that whether it is divisible or not. If you divide this number by 3996 by 74 as well as 3996 by 9. For 9 table we can just add this number 6 plus 3 9. If you add all this number you know that whether it is divisible or not. For 74 you can check whether it is divisible or not. So that we confirm that both are true. Okay, so both 1 and 2 is true. This is what the right answer. Let's move to the next question. Just give your answer for this. Yes. Look at this, guys. Let me explain this question. So a person X from a place A and another person Y from a place B. Both the speed is given. Total distance is 15 kilometer. Okay, so the total distance is 15 kilometer. First hour X walks with 1.5 kilometer per hour and Y walks with 1 kilometer per hour. In the next hour, it will become 1.5 is become 1.25, and the second hour, and with the uniform speed 1.5 on hour with uniform speed of 1 kilometer per hour in the first hour, with a uniform speed of 1.25 kilometer per hour in the second hour, and with a uniform speed of 1.5. Okay, so this person y, next is 1.25, then 1.5, and goes on. Okay, this is what the concept. So we need to find at what point they will meet each other. So look at this. Let me explain with one thing. Before that, if two person comes in opposite direction, we need to add their speed. This is called relative speed. Okay, right. So first hour, what happened? First person x comes in 1.5, and another person came in 1. So if I add their speed, they crossed 2.5 kilometers. Okay, so distance traveled is 2.5. In second hour, this person is same 1.5, but the second person B crossed 1.25 kilometer per hour. So now they crossed 2.75, right? Okay, so this is 2.5. Now I need to add both 2.5 plus 2.75. How many kilometers they came across? 5.25. Now they crossed 5.25. Totally 15 kilometers. Keep this in mind. Okay. Third hour. First person same speed 1.5, but second person is 1.5 now. Okay, so 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. Now already 5.25 plus 3 is 8.25 kilometers crossed. And fourth hour, right? So fourth hour, first person is 1.5 and second person will be 1.75, right? So now how much they crossed? 3.25 kilometers. So add with the previous 8.25. Now the total is 11.50. 11.50. Right. Now the fifth hour. First person is same, but second person is 2. So totally 3.5 kilometers crossed. Now look at this, 15 kilometers achieved totally. Right. So look at this statement. They take 5 hours to meet. So exactly they met at 15 kilometers at 5th hour. Right. So little by little they came opposite together, and so at the midpoint they meet in 5 hours, 5th hour. So this is right. And second one, they meet midway between A and B. Yeah, exactly. Look at this. How can I find midway for x? That is 1.5 is the speed into 5 hours. What is that? 7.5 kilometer. Okay. For y, what is the speed? The remaining thing. Okay, 15 minus 7.5. Let's take like this. The remaining is 7.5. So he came 7.5 kilometers, means remaining 7.5 kilometers was came by the another person B, right? So definitely they will meet at the midpoint. This is also right. So both 1 and 2 is right here. Is it clear? Next question. Start doing this. Okay, look at this. In this statement is given, this is a syllogism concept, right? So whenever you got a statement, first of all, we need to draw a Venn diagram. Some cats are almirahs. So some cats are almirahs. This is the first diagram. Next, some almirahs are chairs. So some almirahs are chairs. All chairs are tables. So all chairs are tables. So all chairs means I need to take everything. All chairs are tables. Okay, so this is what the diagram. Now look at the conclusion. Now don't look at the statement hereafter because I completed with the diagram. So only look at the diagram, right? Conclusion: certainly some almirahs are tables. Almirahs is here, table is here. Yes, this part. Some almirahs are tables. Yes, that is true, right? And second one is some cats may not be chairs. So the may not be word is one of the word possibility concept. Okay, maybe. Okay, it is possible. Okay, there is a concept called possibility in syllogism. If they called it is possible, we need to check other diagrams too. So in this diagram, some cats may not be chairs. Some cats and chairs both have no connection, right? Cats and chairs. But if I check with the another diagram, let's think in different way. Look at this. Some cats are almirahs. Some cats are almirahs. Okay. Some almirahs are chairs. In this, I can draw some almirahs or chairs like this. I can draw like this also, right? Here I had draw like this. That is okay. But in possibility case, it may be like this also. It doesn't say chairs and cat should not meet each other. So there is a possible way, correct? Okay, I will draw like this. Next, all chairs are tables. So here I need to draw one more circle with chairs. So all chairs are tables. I can draw like this. Okay, now look at this. May not be. Some cats may not be chairs. Look at this. If some cats are chairs, here this part is some cats are chairs. So some cats may not be chairs also true. So in possibility case, this diagram it is not possible, but for this diagram it is possible. So when the word may not be possible, okay, you need to check with all the diagrams. Okay, what are all the diagrams we can draw using this? We can think with the all dimension. Then only we will get the answer. If may not be is not given means this is enough for me for getting answer. Okay. Next question. Start doing this. Time up. Okay. So in this question, some same syllogisms concept. So we will draw a diagram. Some radios or mobiles. So I will draw like this. Some radios or mobiles. And next one. All mobiles are computers. So all mobiles are computers. And some computers are watches. So they're talking about only computers and watches. So some computers are watches. I will draw like this. Okay. Right. Now look at the conclusion. Certainly is not a word possible. Okay, this is not a word possible, meaning doesn't gives like that. So you no need to consider this word. Generally, some radios or watches. So look at the radios is here, watches is here. There is no relationship between that. So this is not right. Okay, when they gave possible word, I can check with the other diagrams. There is no possibility concept here, so I will leave it. Next concept, some mobiles or watches. Some mobiles or watches, there is no link with mobiles and watches. Okay, so this is also not right. So neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 is the right answer. Clear? Okay, last question. Start doing this. Okay, so look at this question. P and Q such that P is a prime number and Q is a composite number. Okay, so prime number we know that 2, 3, 5, 7, everything is prime number. Other than that is composite number. One is neither prime nor composite. So don't consider that number here. Right. So first condition is P into Q can be an odd number. Okay. Second condition, Q divided by P can be a prime number. And third condition is P plus Q can be a prime number. So let me check one by one. Right. Okay, let's take statement 1 and I'm going to check P into Q. I can see, and one more thing from starting itself I need to tell, the word can be. Can be is different, must be is different. Can be means if any one number satisfies their rules, okay, you can take that. But must be means whatever the number I will plot the values, it should be satisfied. Okay, so can be here, that is can be means if any one condition is okay, I can take that it was satisfied. Okay, right. So that is the difference between can be and must be. So be clear in that. So now I'm going to take a value for P and Q. Let's take P is so this is the condition 1, statement 1, right? Statement 1. So let's take P is equal to 3 and Q is equal to 15. Multiple of this number. Okay, right. So P into Q is what? P into Q is nothing but 45. So what they say is P into Q can be an odd number. Yeah, can be only, right? So it is right. Let's go for the next statement. Statement 2. Statement 2, right? Q divided by P. So if composite number Q is made of 2 prime numbers and P is one of the prime number, then think like that. Okay, they are asking about Q divided by P. So I'm going to take Q as a bigger number. Already we take Q is 15, right? Let's take same 15. Q is equal to 15, right? And P is equal to 3. Now 15 over 3, it is a prime number. 5 times, right? Yeah, that is true. So you can select this also. First one is also right. Second one is also right. Next, P plus Q can be a prime number. Look at this statement 3, right? Let's go for statement 3. Okay. Now, let's take P is equal to 5 and Q is equal to they says clearly two numbers P and Q. P is a prime number, Q is a composite number. So still now we had taken composite odd numbers. Now I can take composite even number. Okay, so look at this here. If I take P plus Q, okay, that means 5 plus 6, that is 11. 11 is a prime number. So this is also suitable, right? So just think with the smaller numbers, okay, right? If any one condition is satisfies, you can take that because the word is can be. Okay, so all the three is right. 1, 2, 3 is everything is right. That's the right answer. Okay, guys. So prelims Optima 2023. So we have conducted lots of things. 120 days study plan, 1.5 years Optima current affairs notes, 12 months prelims power play compilation, monthly current affairs test, and so on. If you are interested, you can join through Telegram. The number is given here. All the very best, guys. Meet you in the next session. Thank you. Take care and bye.